Hey, 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 welcome back to Christensen Outdoors. It's finally here, ice on Flaming Gorge. We head on up to the Firehole area to target burbot. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Burbot.
Oh yeah. Lucky sucker too.
On the loony bait. Pink with silver flake loony bait with power bait. Catching burbot. Fish on. That's another good burbot. On the loony bait with sucker meat. What in the world? This loony bait doesn't glow. I think we're going to switch over to some loonies that do glow, but we did tip it with sucker meat. Yeah. I'm gonna dig into this BW Sports bag. And we've got all of our plastics. There's our loony baits. I'm gonna pull out some glow colors. We're gonna see if these burbot want a smaller profile. We'll see what happens. You missed him.
Didn't see it quick enough.
I know, I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, he's there, baby. He came back.
Oh, you had.
Don't take one. Well, hold on, I think I was just wrapped.
And that's a rainbow.
Crab too.
On the loony bait.
And the new cup.
You got him?
Got him. Oh, tiny burbot. On the loony.
The new pearl shad. Or pearl glitter bomb. That's awesome.
It's so funny because right next to you, 3 feet away, I've got a bird there, you know.
Get him?
Yep.
Another burbot.
Burbot.
Awesome, on the Super Glow banana spoon, green.
Go.
So with another one. That come on the purple?
See here, I can't even remember what I had on this rod.
Yeah,
Yeah, purple.
the purple Glow banana spoon.
There.
Awesome.
Blue and green have done it for me today. Or purple.
Yeah, purple and blue were my best colors the last time I went out. Oh, there was one on natural. Just a bite.
There
Got
it
him.
is.
Oh yeah.
Nice one.
Quite decent. Not as big as my first two on the loony baits.
Yeah.
Hey, you're getting a bite over here. Far left one.
Oh, right here.
Ah, you're getting one.
Oh, wow.
Nice. That one's on the green banana.
I think so.
Yep. And yeah, you did have a bite on this rod right here.
Right there, huh?
Nice, nice. Awesome.
I was just going to get the lantern. came to play today.
Yeah.
Killed that one. Oh my gosh, instantly.
Awesome.
He's running. Dragging
Yeah.
the line. Holy cow.
You sure it's a burbot?
I don't know. I gotta tighten this up a little bit though. It was right at the bottom. Come on, Corporal. Oh, I think it's a Laker. Yeah. Oh no.
No, that's a good burbot.
Pull him out. Man, that's a nice one.
Go get a light.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got some girth to him.
Yeah, he does. It's the biggest one I ever caught. That's for sure.
On the green banana.
Oh yeah, meat's gone on this guy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Give me back my sucker meat.
We won't.
No. You ate it.
Doing pretty good tonight.
Yeah.
Burbot really turned on.
Got him on the pink.
Oh yeah. Oh.
You're getting one. Gotcha.
There it is.
got one?
Orange pout bomb.
Nice. That's awesome. Oh, I'm getting one on the pink.
Smack him.
Oh, maybe I'm too late. Come on. Come on. Yeah, catch a fish, would you? You got him that time.
Letting him get away.
Small one.
Yeah.
Got him.
Okay. Yeah. Double up.
Oh. He decided to fight.
Right at the end there, huh?
Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh.
Heck yeah. Nice one too.
Uh-huh. We've only had a couple small ones.
Yeah, they've all been pretty good size, so. And look at that, my sucker meat prevails.
So did mine.
This fish on this piece.
You got one right under you. I got one. Oh, there's a big one following this bugger up.
Really?
Yeah. And I keep my sucker meat for another dime.
That's what we like. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Jeez. Getting wild here.
Got him.
Yeah. And the meat is gone. Hey, check on this. He was nice enough to give it back. Oh,
Gotcha. Oh, this is a good one.
oh yeah? Holy cow. Jeez.
Ah, he's
He was a fighter.
not the biggest, but yeah, he's good.
Fighter. Oh yeah. Right as I was going to put my rod down too. Got him. Tiny sucker.
Gotcha. Okay.
See a nice one?
He looks good on the screen, I'll
Yeah.
tell you that.
Yeah.
You may have to grab that battery pack.
Oh my goodness. Where's he running to? Bottom?
Oh, I've got him at 15 feet. I had him at 15 feet.
This is definitely. You think it's burb?
Yeah.
Oh, he is a pig.
He's
Dude.
wrapped himself up too.
He's a
It's
pig.
like around his. Oh. Come here, bud.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no wonder he's fighting so hard.
Yeah, it went all the way around him. Hey, we've got the Burbot Bash coming up.
Yeah, right there.
About 5 weeks.
That's a big fish, Golden.
Uh-huh.
That's a big burbot. Green banana.
Yeah, I finally switched out that loony bait.
You don't have a scale, do you?
No, I can weigh him at home though.
True.
I got my shipping scale.
True.
He's got a fat head on him.
Yeah, he does. He looks like a freak.
Tuna on!
On, baby.
Hey, settle down.
Oops. Get him? There you go. Not a very big one.
Still a burbot.
Still a burb. Can't ever complain. Seventh fish on the same piece of meat.
That's awesome. Keep doing it because
We're gonna run
you're
out.
gonna run out. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention.
Yeah.
That's twice. Gotcha. Yep, I gotcha.
Another big one?
No. Just a burbot. This one stole my meat though. Missed another one.
That is 9 fish on the same. This piece is sad. It's depressing. It doesn't even cover one hook, but we're still going for it. Oh, we got 20 fish here.
Gotcha. Oh, sweet.
Man, kept it all for you. I thought he was off.
I know, I thought so too. Small one.
Yeah.
That is a small one.
Sometimes you wonder how they can fit it in their mouth.
Got him. He's good. Yeah, he's not huge. He's average.
Yeah. How do you cook up your bourbon?
Either boil them or deep fry them.
Yeah. When you boil them, what do you make? Just like
Oh, just cut these up into cubes similar to the sucker meat, but without the skin on it,
Yeah.
and boil it, and then you dip it in butter.
really kind of like just like lobster, huh?
Yep.
Interesting. Do you add anything to the
You could do sugar and salt water, or you can do like 7-Up.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just get the light right here finally.
Gotcha. Okay.
Still a better one? Oh yeah. Another fatty.
Oh yeah, come on out. Oh yeah. We got a pile of bourbon there.
Yeah, we do. Oh, he darted off. Darted way left.
Yeah, he hooked himself.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm done with it. Oh, came back.
Oh, good. Smoked him. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah. Another one bites the dust. rubber rods.
Colton's getting too excited.
I got him on that one.
Heck yes.
On the blue. I'm in. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Gotcha.
Yeehaw!
Yeah.
Finally.
That makes 3 dozen.
Yeah,
Burbot.
that's a good day. Oh, I just had a bite.
Got him?
Got him.
Ooh, there's 2 big ones down there.
Right by me.
Yeah, big ones.
We'll drop down and get him. Always a little one though, huh?
Oh, I missed him. Come back again, little buddy.
We need.
Got him that
Hey,
time.
there we go. We're back in business. That's for sure.
He is a little buddy, but I got him. That makes 38. Gotcha.
Fight is back on.
Oh, yeah.